Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News channel. This is a recap of the Saturday stream. If you want to join my stream, all that information and my other channel is in the description and the comments. Please check out my two other channels and subscribe. All right, let's get to the news. China might cut off 10% of the overall cryptocurrency hash rate. The province is Sichuan, which accounts for maybe about 10% of the cryptocurrency hash rate, said it might shut it down. And this is not because crypto mining is illegal. Crypto mining is legal, but other companies are using the guise of crypto mining to do illicit crypto trading activities or money fraud and stuff. And since they're not the government, they're not allowed to be corrupt or do illegal things. Can't have that. Basically, this will actually probably hurt the price of crypto if they do this, although 10% is not a huge drop. We see fluctuations like that all the time, but a 10% permanent drop could actually be a little bit hurtful to the price. However, that does open up Bitcoin being more decentralized, because if Sichuan drops 10%, that means somewhere else is going to have to come up with 10%, and that 10% may not be in China, as more and more miners are moving to other places like the United States. So bad for like the temporary drop in price, but good maybe for the overall decentralization of the mining of Bitcoin. So that is the news from China. The state of Louisiana is looking into crypto business licensing. So businesses may be able to license cryptocurrencies, and this is another step forward in cryptocurrency adoption. The US can't quite move as fast as like other European countries or China because our government's not as centralized. In the way that our federal government does not have direct control over our state governments, it's like a balance of powers. Like in China, it's not a balance of powers. It's like God Emperor Xi Jinping says something and you have to do it or you die. So in the United States, the system doesn't work like that. So we actually have to get regulation state by state, which makes things excruciatingly slow. So you can't blame the federal government for everything about cryptocurrency and they're not adopting it. They don't really have the power to really mandate all that much stuff. They're not all powerful like the Chinese government or some of the Central European governments are. So that's the problem with the US right now. But Louisiana adopting this, along with like Wyoming making improvements in other states, that will shift the general attitude of cryptocurrency and it will help adoption in the future. The third thing is Coinbase has been accused of fraud. Oh my God, how could that possibly be? Well, it's with the OMG edition. OMG has pumped the coin a lot more than other Coinbase editions, but it's not even that. It's the fact that OMG, essentially like about a week before OMG was listed, Coinbase, the price actually started rising, and people are accusing Coinbase of insider trading because some of their execs or some people involved with Coinbase probably knew that OMG was going to get added much earlier than the general public, so they started buying OMG beforehand, and that's why it started rallying beforehand. And then it got added, and the rally continued by some pumps from market players. So they're accusing Coinbase of leading that pump. Is this true? I think there's a good chance it's actually true. Even though Coinbase is fully regulated, it doesn't prevent all of these things. There's no way that anyone can actually prove it, though, so I don't think anyone will actually come after them. But since crypto isn't as regulated as stocks, these things will continue to happen. So Coinbase has been accused of insider trading. I don't think anything will come of it because I really don't think they're going to investigate it, and I don't know how they would actually investigate it to its fullest. So that is the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.